I have completed my BCA. After that, I have joined my first organizations, InnoData India Private Limited, where I have joined as a senior associate. 1 year back ago, I have joined this Learnbay and continuous learning. And now I am switched to my jobs and get a new jobs with the help of Learnbay, where I have joined as a Power BI developer in STL Digital company. So Learnbay providing a good facility for teachers. Teachers are very good, helpful. They teach very well, as I understand. Also, as per the coordinators, is also very helpful. Meanwhile, when I need any help for extra class or revision class or any type of supports, so they definitely contact me on a emergency basis as well as reply on fast. I have joined also 4 to 5 project sessions with the mostly Sagar sir. So they are providing the insight of the real-time projects in the real-time industry, how they are work, how the project is started. So they are explained end-to-end project explanations. As per my experience comparison, Learnbay is a better platform, e-learning platforms. So my suggestions, if anyone's want to learn or want to develop some things skills, so I prefer to join this Learnbay.